If you're seeing Figma error 201, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This error is usually related to a connection issue, browser data problem, the desktop app, or even a security tool blocking Figma from connecting properly. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what to check so you can get back into your design files fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. First, restart your connection. Since error 201 is often caused by a network block, try switching to a different internet connection if you can. For example, disconnect from your current Wi-Fi and connect to a mobile hotspot, or try another network entirely. This helps you figure out whether your local network is the problem. If Figma loads correctly on a different connection, then your original network is likely blocking access or causing a routing issue. If that happens, you may need to restart your router or speak with your network administrator if you're on a work or school connection. Next, reset the Figma desktop app. If you're using the desktop version, fully close Figma and reopen it first. If that doesn't work, try reinstalling the app to clear out any temporary session glitches or corrupted local files. Sometimes a fresh install is all it takes to fix an error like this. After reinstalling, sign back in and test the file again. If you are using the browser version instead, move on to the next step and clear your browser data. Browser cache and cookies can sometimes store outdated or broken session information that prevents Figma from loading properly. Open your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try opening Figma again. If you don't want to clear everything, you can also test the file in an Incognito window. Incognito mode uses a cleaner session and can help you confirm whether the issue is caused by saved browser data. If Figma works in Incognito, then the problem is probably in your browser cache, cookies, or an extension. You can also try a different browser entirely, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to see if the issue is browser specific. Now let's check security tools. VPNs, custom proxies, and strict corporate firewalls can interfere with Figma's secure connection, especially if secure port 443 is being blocked. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off temporarily and refresh Figma. If you use a proxy, disable that as well. And if you're on a company or a school network, your firewall may be limiting the connection even if your internet seems fine. In that case, try a personal hotspot or contact your IT team to confirm that Figma traffic is allowed. After each change, test Figma again so you can identify which fix solved the issue. The key is to work through these steps one by one instead of changing everything at once. Start with the network, then the desktop app, then browser data, and finally any security software or firewall restrictions. One of these steps usually resolves Figma error 201 quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, productivity tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.